What's up guys, your boy Big A here coming at you. So I'm here at a Hobby Lobby that I've never been to before, and as you can see they have lots of goodies, man. I don't even know where to start, to be honest with you. I'm gonna start over here. Check this out guys, man. 1974 Mustang Boss 302. Man, this thing is sweet. Definitely gonna pick that one up. Let's see what else we have. This is the 1969 Pontiac GTO. Pretty cool. There's another one over there. Let's see what they have down here. Another Mustang. Check this out. So what do we have over here? This is a 1957 Dodge Custom Royal Lancer. Very, very cool. It also has the Coca-Cola decals. Nice red interior. Very cool. Definitely gonna pick that one up. Down here we have a couple of Jeeps. Ooh, nice. Check this out guys. These cars are right up my alley. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. Got a Z28 and an RS. So as you can see, both of these have the Moon Eyes decals. So definitely gonna pick these up. Let's see, down here we have some Jada Toys Just Trucks. Here we have some majorette cars that I already have. These are peg warmers. We've seen this before. Here we have a 1971 Chevrolet Corvette. And here we have a 1939 Chevrolet panel bus. Not bad. Here we have a couple of tractors. Well, actually one tractor. And we have that wagon over there. Check this one out. This is a limited edition. This is a 1960 Studebaker truck with the houseboat. Very, very cool. Let's take a look up here. Here we have a 1971 Dodge Charger Super Beat in purple. Very nice. Let's see, what do we have up here? This is another 1971 Dodge Charger Super Beat in blue. Pretty cool. Let's see. Oh, nice. This is a 2010 Dodge Charger RT. Now we have this in purple. I don't have this one. Not sure if I should pick it up or not, because Mustang Hunter told me not to buy any Johnny Lightning, so I think I'm gonna hold off on this one. Let's see, what do we have over here? This is a nice 1971 Buick Riviera. Not bad. Check this out guys. This is a Ghostbusters. Pretty cool. It comes with a nice rubber diorama. Here we go. This is really cool. This is the Ecto 1A 1959 Cadillac. This thing is sweet, man. The price, not so much. But the casting and the diorama are pretty cool. All right, let's see, what do we have over here? Ooh, nice. Man, this is really cool. This is the 1970 Chevy Chevelle SS. Check that out, guys. It says that it's been parked here since 1978, so it looks like it's a forgotten car. There's a barn house. These have some pretty good weight on them, man. I mean, these are pretty cool. Let's see, here we have a cool 2019 Ford F-150 XLT sport truck, and another one over here. Here we have some more Johnny Lightning. This is the Monopoly 1933 Willys Delivery Sedan. Okay. This is a 1985 Chevy Camaro Z28. What do we have down here? This is a cool 1978 Ford Mustang Cobra 2. This one's pretty cool. Very, very nice. Gonna pass on that one for now. Over here we have this 2020 Mack LR refuse truck with a waste management decals. Pretty cool. And here we have a 2019 Mack Anthem truck cab. Let's see here. Check this out. 1972 Condor RV. Pretty cool. Here's another one. And over here, we have a 2013 International Durastar Ambulance. Pretty cool. Let's put these back. Here we have a Jada Choice VW Beetle and the VW T1. Cool. This one we've seen before. This is a 2015 Ram 1500. Comes with a cool garbage pail kits card. We used to collect those a lot when I was in junior high school. Here we have some cool Johnny Lightning cars. We have the 1968 Chevy Camaro Yenko and the 1972 Chevy Vega Stinger Yenko. Very cool, man. Awesome castings. Taking those for sure. Let's see, what do we have over here? 1967 Camaro Yenko, 1970 Chevy Nova Yenko Deuce. Over here we have this cool Classics Beetle. Pretty cool. Let's see. This is a 1963 Chevy Corvette split window coupe. Very cool. Here we have a 1970 Plymouth AAR Cuda in orange. Definitely gonna pick this one up, guys. Over here we have some military vehicles. Looks like they're both the same. Here we have a 2013 Ford Escape. Not bad. 1985 Dodge Diplomat. This one represents the Oklahoma Highway Patrol. And over here we have a 1982 Ford Mustang SSP, and that one represents the Texas Department of Public Safety. Pretty cool. Let's see. Down here, oh, this one I haven't seen before. 1994 Ford F-150 XLT and the Fram oil filters enclosed car trailer. Pretty cool. And let's see, here we have the 1943 Willys MB Jeep and the quarter-ton cargo trailer. And there's another one over here. Let's put this one back. Here we have some King Crunch trucks. We've seen this before. They also have these at Target for $3 less, guys, just FYI. Here we have this 2008 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon in yellow. Pretty cool. It's got some pretty cool details. Check out that spare tire back there. Nice. Here we have a 1995 Ford Bronco in orange. Pretty cool. Let's see. Here we have a 1977 Dodge Ram Charger. Pretty cool, man. I'm really digging this color. Okay. Definitely gonna take this one, man. I can't pass up on that one. So over here we have a couple of trailers. Let's see, this one here I haven't seen before. This one's really cool. 2016 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited in black. This one's pretty sweet, man. Very cool. Definitely gonna pick that one up. Here we have some tires for a Mustang. Okay. Oh, nice. Check this out, guys. Here we have the Angelo Vespes 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. This thing is sweet, man. Definitely gonna take this one. And here we have a Gary Mills 1978 Chevrolet Camaro. Very cool. Gonna take that one. Oh, nice. Check out this truck, guys. This is really cool, man. 1977 Ford F-150. Check out that detail, man. Nice classic Ford truck with a long bed. Very cool. Definitely gonna take this one. Over here we have the 2019 Ford Transit Ford police car. Okay, gonna shift these around. Here we have the 2018 Ram ProMaster with the Mopar Custom Shop decals. Pretty cool. Here we have the 2015 Ford Transit, all white. And there's another 2019 Ford Transit with the Ford Police decals. Check this one out, guys. This one is really, really cool. You have a 1992 Ford F-150 and 1992 Ford Bronco on flatbed trailer. Pretty cool. Definitely gonna pick this one up. It's a little pricey, I know, but check this out, guys. Beverly Hills Cop. Very, very cool. You got the 1983 GMC Vendura, which is the van, and the 1970 Chevrolet Nova with the enclosed car hauler. It also has the Beverly Hills Cop decals. This one is really cool, man. Maybe next time. Over here we have some Jada Toys G.I. Joe miniature cars. And over here we have the Fast and Furious. This one is no stranger. We've seen this before. This is the 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 heavy duty service bed with snowplow. There it is. Pretty cool. This one is pretty cool as well. We have the 2019 Ford F-350 Lariat. This one represents the Baltimore Police Department. And check this out, guys. This is a 2018 Ram 3500 landscape dump truck. Pretty cool. So let's put these back. Here we have some Armor All accessories. We've seen that before. Check this out, guys. 1968 Plymouth GTX Custom. This is sweet, man. I love the black and silver combination. Love that red stripe right there. Black interior. Check out those wheels. This one has a lot of detail. This one is sweet. Definitely gonna take this one. And what do we have over here? This is the 1970 Oldsmobile 442 convertible. Nice. Gonna pick that one up for sure. What do we have over here? This is the 2011 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interception. Cool. This one represents the Kansas Patrol Police Department. It says it's their 75th anniversary. It inaugurated in 1937, and they celebrated their 75th anniversary in 2012. Pretty cool. Check this out, guys. Nice. This is the 2020 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray in black. This thing is sweet, man. I already have it, so I'm gonna let that hang here for somebody else. Check this out. 1967 Mercury Cougar. It's got the cool STP decals, black interior. I love the detail on this casting, guys. Definitely gonna pick that one up. So what do we have over here? This is a 2016 Ford F-150. Pretty cool. This one has the Goodrich decals. Very, very cool. Gonna pass on this one for now. Check this one out, guys. This is a cool classic Volkswagen Beetle with a number 252 on the doors. Pretty cool, man. Ooh. It looks like it has an opening top. It has a black interior. Very cool. Gonna pick this one up. And this one is no stranger as well. We have a 1954 Studebaker Champion. This one is really cool. I already have it. And here's another Studebaker and another Studebaker. And here we have the Brady Bunch 1969 Plymouth Satellite Station Wagon. Okay. And over there we have the 1979 Ford LTD Country Station Wagon. This one is no stranger. 1932 Ford Coupe. I love the color scheme, man. Pretty cool. This is a 1954 Chevrolet 3100 truck. Pretty cool. It's got the hoist and everything. It's got a bunch of different accessories that I already picked it up last time. So this one's gonna stay here for someone else. All right, guys, we have a 1966 Dodge Charger Gasser. This is awesome, man. This is an M2. It also comes with a hoist, different options as far as wheels. Very, very cool. Gonna take this one as well. And let's see, what do we have over here? Nothing that we have not seen before. This one's pretty cool. This 1960 Chrysler 300F. Over there we have a 1968 half Mercury Cougar. Pretty cool. Check this one out, guys. This one is really cool, man. This is a 1958 Plymouth Fury. Love the white walls. Very, very cool. This one is really cool, man. Let's see. Over here, we have a 1969 Ford Mustang Boss 429. This one is sick, man. Very, very cool. All right, let's see. What else do we have? So here we have a 1965 Ford Econoline truck. Pretty cool. And over here we have a 1970 Dodge A100 panel van with a Goodyear decals. Pretty cool. And over here we have another 1965 Ford Econoline truck in red. Very cool. Here we have a gas pump. Here we have a pretty cool Maisto Harley Davidson hauler. And we've seen this one before. Let's take a quick look at these Jeeps over here. Very, very cool. I love the lime green color on this Jeep. Lots of detail, man. Really, really cool. And here we have this one here. You know what, guys? I think this is a green machine, man. This is definitely a green machine. Definitely gonna pick this one up, man. Yes, sir. See the green wheels? That's what gives it up, guys. So definitely scored with this one, man. 2013 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Freedom Edition. All right, guys. So that's gonna be my haul for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch you guys next time. Deuces.